In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method. If you want to keep your account ready for future purchases, renewals, or upgrades, adding a payment method is a simple step that can save you time later. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside your account dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're on the main account area where your settings and account options are visible. This is where you'll be able to access the billing section. Next, click on your profile. You'll usually find this in the upper area of the dashboard. Opening your profile gives you access to account-related settings, including billing and payment options. If your screen looks a little different, just look for the section that manages your account details. From there, click on Billing. This is the area where Hostinger keeps all payment-related settings, invoices, and billing preferences. If you're adding a new payment option for future use, this is the right place to be. Once you're inside the billing section, click on Payment Methods. This page is specifically designed to manage the payment options connected to your account. If you already have a saved method, it may appear here. If not, you'll see the option to add one. Now click Add Payment Method. This will open the setup page where you can choose how you'd like to pay. The platform may offer several payment options depending on your region, so simply select the one you prefer. It's always a good idea to choose the method that will be easiest for you to manage for upcoming charges or renewals. After selecting your preferred payment method, enter your payment details carefully. Make sure everything is typed correctly, since even a small mistake can cause the payment method to fail or not save properly. Take your time here and double-check the information before continuing. Once your payment details are entered, follow any final prompts shown on the screen to complete the setup. In some cases, your bank or payment provider may ask for a quick verification step for security purposes, so that's completely normal. And that's it. You've successfully gone through the process of adding a payment method to your Hostinger account. Keeping a valid payment method on file can make future transactions smoother and help avoid interruptions with your services. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.